Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel, and today we are going to be making a delicious cheesecake with cherry topping. And all you're going to use is 2 bars of cream cheese, 2 eggs, half a cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and 2 tablespoons of sour cream. That is all that you're going to need. The ingredients are right there. There's the sour cream, the sugar, the vanilla. You do need your cherries, or if you want to put strawberries on it, it's your choice. And you have your pie crust right there. And there are the cheeses and the eggs. Okay? So we are going to start here. This is going to be very simple. I have to put on my glasses because I can't really see. So anyway, we're going to start with the cheeses. I've already opened them. So I'm going to dump them in there. Okay. And we're going to, I'm not using anything else, but I'm using the spoon. So this is what I'm using. And don't worry if it feels like hard right now, lumpy, because the egg is going to make that really moist. Okay, so we're going to put the egg in here. And by the time you put the second egg, it'll be nice and soft. Right now it's looking lumpy like that, but you go ahead and you keep beating it like that. Okay, once you do that, you're going to add the other ingredients, which are half a cup of sugar. And you're going to have 2 tablespoons of sour cream, okay? Two tablespoons of sour cream. Then you're going to put a tablespoon of vanilla. And the other egg. Okay, now you are going to keep on beating this. And I've already preheated my oven, right? First you're going to put it at 350 for 40 minutes. Okay, now but even if it looks lumpy like that, don't worry about it, because remember, this is cheese. Okay, so it's all gonna melt in there when you're baking your cheesecake. Okay. Need my other spoon here. You're just gonna beat it until it's nice and soft, like that. All the lumps are disappearing. Okay, and we are ready for the pie crust. Okay. Okay. So we have our pie crust right here. Okay. And then you are going to flatten it like this so that it can look really nice. Just like that. Okay, now we are going over to the oven. Okay, so follow me. Right there. I've already preheated my oven. And what you're going to do first, you're going to heat it up. You're going to preheat it to 350 for 15 minutes. And after the 15 minutes, you're going to set it at 300 for the 40 minutes, okay? So this is the pie crust. And what you're going to do, I think I'm going to put the camera right here. I'm going to put it in the water. I filled that up with half of water, not all the way up. Okay. It's hot because I already preheated it. So you're just gonna let it sit right there. Okay. Like I said, you're going to do 350 for 15 minutes. 15 minutes. And then after the 15 minutes, you're going to come back and you're going to set it up for 300, at 300 for 40 minutes. Okay? And then it'll be done. And then you'll be ready to eat the cheesecake. So this cheesecake, I already had made it, so everything was the same steps, same ingredients, same everything. But now I'm going to enjoy my cheesecake. So I love it. I just ate dinner. So this is my dessert. Delicious. Well, I hope you try this cheesecake because it is really good. And thanks for watching.